Hey friends, Kitty, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm bringing back my project pan, rolling project pan for 2019. I'm finally bringing you an update and everything, which I'm not doing these monthly anyways, but I feel like it's been a while, so we need to do another update. So I'm so excited to be bringing you this because I do have progress on quite a few things, I guess, and I don't know, I want to like update you. So I'm gonna first go through like everything that is, I guess, currently in the project, because if you want to see what I put in the project originally, you can check out my last video of this and everything. So yeah, this is my first official update. So this is my first update with this project. So I feel like first I should go with everything that like I used up. But yeah, welcome back to the rolling project pan. I've been doing updates on Instagram, which I'll try to have like in my highlights and stuff like that, and I'll try to post pictures throughout this video to like show you and stuff like that. But I think we should start off by showing everything that I guess I used up and stuff like that. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So I decided to keep everything in this plastic bag. I felt like it made the most sense. So yeah, let's just go through it. So first I finished up the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask basically, and I used this whole up, and I even took it out of here. I mean, there's a little bit of residue left, but it's pretty much all gone. And I used up this. I love this for like when I want to, like, if I have a pimple, to put this on it and just mask like this. I don't do these masks as often because they can dry out your skin, especially in the winter time. And yeah, this is the first one I used up. I also used up the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous Foundation. I cut this open as well to get excess product out. And I guess there is product, but this has been open for a while, like, so it's probably not the most sanitary, but I used that up. And I like to mix that with foundations because this shade does not match me, and literally you can't find this foundation anywhere anymore, so that's really sad. And then I also used up the Lorac, everything I pretty much cut open. Behind the Scenes eyeshadow primer, which I would never buy just like alone because I don't really care for it. Yeah. Then I just used up this Maybelline Color Whisper in this pink shade, which was in last year's project, and we finally used it up. I just put a little bit on my lips. I mean, there's still a little bit in there. If I really wanted to be ambitious, I would get it all out with like a, I don't know, like a brush, but we're not that ambitious with this. We used it up. It's old. It's from high school. I think we can move on. Okay, so that's everything that I guess is in there. So I guess I'll go in what's still in the project. To refresh you, like I said, my last video will be linked up in the cards and down below if you do want to check it out. I'll also link any like correlating panning videos that I have on my channel. So, okay, so we still have the Laura Mercier still in this project. Well, let's just go one by one. So first thing we still have in the project is the Laura Mercier transparent powder. I'm gonna take the stopper out because I found it was way too hard to get product out. So I guess if you look at this way, this is how much product we still have. I'm gonna insert pictures of everything and I did mark everything. It seems that this, which I'll remark everything because I feel like all the marks came off. Like literally we're down to like what, here in it? I mean, at certain spots it's higher than others, so it's hard to tell. I would say we're like almost gone with it, like halfway down maybe with it. And I like this powder for setting under my eyes and setting my face, but I don't really set my face with certain foundations because I find certain foundations don't need to be set because they're just good on their own. But I use this for basically setting. And I just want to mention I don't wear makeup a lot. I haven't been in school, like I don't wear makeup to class, so literally when I wear makeup it's a very like occasional occasion. I don't even know how to say that, like it's a very rare sight, I guess. So I'm still working on the Laura Mercier since the beginning of this project, so it's been like 2.5 months. It hasn't quite been 3 full months, but 2.5, almost 3 months. I think I'm uploading this at like 3 months, maybe in April sometime, so it'll be more than 3. It'll be like 3 months-ish. So yeah, I still have a little more to go with that. Then the ColourPop, this is their shadow. I've hit pan on this. This is the ColourPop and Kathleen Light Super Shock Shadow. I don't use these, so I've made like a goal of myself to like use up like more of these shadows and put them in projects. So I have a pan on this shadow, but I honestly haven't been using this all that much. I haven't used it in a while, but I do have a pan on it, and I feel like I just have of good dip into it, but I'm hoping to use this more maybe summer and just coming up in the spring, summertime to use this more. I feel like I'll get really good use out of this in summer. I'm gonna really dedicate this, and once I pan the palette, which that video might already be up by the time this video is up. I have no idea what order videos are going up in, but once I run out of shimmer shades in that video, I will definitely be incorporating this in more, but this is my progress and we're doing pretty good, I guess. I don't know. This video I feel like is so disorganized, but I literally don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so then the Sephora, this is their Ultra Gel Glossy Lip, which I'm gonna put this on because I love this lip gloss. It's probably my favorite lip gloss I have, and I actually have a full size of it too. My mom gave it to me. I literally don't understand though, like, how do people pan lip glosses? I feel like I'm getting nowhere with this always. Like, I'm like, what is happening with this? I literally don't know. I wear this almost like every time I wear makeup. I try to wear this because it's really nice, like, lip gloss, and I feel like I'm scraping the sides. I feel like I'm using it, but I feel like I'm still getting nowhere, so that's fun. But I feel like with this, like, I've used it a lot. There's still, like, I feel like there's not a ton of product in there, but there's still like product in there for sure, but we're nowhere at the point where we're getting anywhere with this. But I'm just curious to see where this goes with this lip product because I want to go further with it and I want to like use it up a lot, but I don't know, this one is gonna take forever, I feel like, so hopefully I will use this up soon. I want to, but who knows. Okay, so next we have this Laura Mercier. This is their Caviar Shadow Stick. So we have pretty much all the product. I try to use this as an inner corner highlight. I mean, I feel like it could be worse. I feel like, oh, this is definitely broken off. Okay, let's just pretend it hasn't, like, but yeah, we have like a whole bunch of product. I put it in my inner corners. I put it like on my brow bone. I put it like almost everywhere. I feel like it looks good to put. And yeah, we have a little bit of this, and I guess it broke off, but we're just gonna pretend like it didn't because it's still in there. And I feel like I love this for my inner corners. I like to put it on, then put like an actual powder shadow on top, and it's pretty good. It's like a rose gold shade. I feel like this would be pretty also blankly on the lid, so I need to try that out more and stuff like that because I love this shadow stick. It's so pretty. I'm trying to swatch it to show you. It is pretty and it blends out beautifully. So this is it kind of blended out on my hand. It's very pretty, especially in the inner corners. It gives you like a sheer like type look to your lid and stuff like that, which I really like. And I'm just trying to use up shadow sticks because they're not really something I use all that much. So that one we have a little bit of product. I guess if I were to put golds on these things, definitely this one I would like to be used up within the next month. But honestly, the way I'm using this, I feel like it'll be the next week. This one, I don't know if I can put like a goal on it. Maybe like summer, end of summer. I feel like that's a good goal because it's just one of the shades I would use in summer. The lip gloss, honestly, not ranging high with this. Honestly, the end of the year would be great. This, I would like to be done with this within the next, I would say 2 or 3 months because there's not that much product left. I feel like that's doable. So next I have another lip product. This is the Clinique. This is their Pop lipsticks. These are one of my favorite things. Honestly, I need to find a dupe of this because, like a cruelty-free dupe, because this is such an amazing lipstick. I love this lipstick. It's amazing, and I'll swatch it for you. So that's kind of what it looks like. It is so pretty and I really, really like it, and I just need to use it more and everything. So I try to use like one of the lipsticks and then like use it as a base and then do gloss over it. So I'm using multiple of my products at once. This is super pretty. I still have like a decent bit of it left, but I'm assuming this is gonna take me like till the end of the year because I feel like I'm getting nowhere with it. I use it, but I feel like it's gonna take a while because it's very sheer. So I could use more, but like I feel like it's gonna take a while, even though it is small lipstick, because sometimes these small lipsticks actually last longer than like a regular lipstick, which I don't get. But yeah, this one, realistically, I feel like it's gonna take me the whole year, but maybe I could get through it in like a couple months. Who knows? Who knows? But yeah. Okay, and then lastly, I have this Becca Bronzed Bondi bronzer. This is their Sunlit bronzer, which I do really enjoy. I've enjoyed using this. Like, I really do like this. It's such a pretty bronzer. It's that right there. It is very pretty. I think it's just like, it's gorgeous. Okay, I really like this. It's very smooth. It's very nice like on. I'm not wearing it today, but I do wear it. But this, I have an explanation, but I've used it a lot. I use it like every day I do my makeup. But this, I think I'm gonna switch out since it is cruelty free, just because I want to have a bronzer to use after I use my other bronzers, and I think I might focus on something else. But I have been enjoying this, and if I were to keep it in the project, I would probably want to be done with it, let's just say maybe the end of the year. I feel like these little pans take forever, so hopefully soon, but I think I'm gonna switch that one out. So I'm gonna talk about the products that I've added in and switched out. So another one of those is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. This one I decided to use up since I had another sample of it, and I decided might as well use this one. So this one I'm only down to here. I haven't really used much of it, and I'm gonna bring this with me to school. I've decided just so when I have it, I can like put it on as an overnight treatment or even use this as a mask at night. I feel like this would be a good mask or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna use this and hopefully bring it with me. But yeah, I'm not very used to that, but I'm hoping to use this like throughout the summer and stuff like that and get that used up. And then I have other masks that I would like to use up, so there's that. I really have my panning things like everywhere, like it's not in just one space where I have it. And then next I added in the soft lips. This is like the peppermint one, and I have a lot of this. This is my go-to chapstick for like class and normal days, which I like having like some of my panning products just like in my regular everyday, I guess, areas, like in this little cute little bag. I like to have that in there because I need chapstick on a daily, so this one's a great one, and I still have a lot of it left, so we have a lot to go. Hopefully maybe within these next few months I can use this up. So that's one product, two product, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I have to add a product on. So I think I am gonna switch out the Becca bronzer and just put it back in my collection because I find that I'm not really getting much use out of this product, because I do have a blush palette and a contour palette in as my like face palette with my Panda palette. So I am still gonna put a bronzer in just out of fun, but I'm not going to like fully, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna add in the NARS Laguna bronzer as a replacement for the Becca. I'm gonna add this in because I think it is a pretty bronzer. I'm actually wearing it on my face today. I really do like it. I think it is like very like pretty, and I want to see like how far I can get with this. This isn't a cruelty-free product, so I would like to use it up. It's that bronzer, but I would like to use that up and everything to like and just see how far I can get with it. It's a very pretty bronzer, and I've loved using it these past couple of days, and I just want to see like where we can go with this. So I'm gonna add this into my project, and I'm hoping to get like a decent dent with this and stuff. And then I'm gonna add another product in because that's just replacing a product. Okay, so then also I'm going to add in a lip product, so we will have a couple different lip products in for this. I'm actually gonna put that in there for now, but this is the Bare Minerals. This is their Fresh Mauve. This is like a lip thing, and there's a decent amount of product left. I actually wore this as my initial color for this look, which I'll have that linked down below when it is live and stuff like that. I don't know if it's already up or if it's going up. I have no when, but yeah, I really like this. It's like a mauve type color. Let's swatch this baby as well. That's it right there. It's very pretty, and I think it's a very pretty everyday type color, so I feel like I could use this up pretty quickly within like a couple months. So that one's going in the collection as well, and I promise this time I will be better about having pictures, updates. I'm gonna try and do updates on Instagram monthly, like do them as actual posts. I will also like post them on my story so you can see that as well. But yeah, this is kind of my update. I feel like this update was very jumbled and like just all over the place. I'm sorry for that, but I don't know, it just happens sometimes. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you're panning, whether it's a pan that palette, a project pan, a rolling project pan like I'm doing. And actually before I go, I'm gonna have like a tally on the screen of like what I've used up and kind of how we're doing so far. So yeah, I will have that up there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you're panning, whatever project it is, let me know down below. And please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because I post videos every single week. I try to post Mondays and Fridays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!